Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. You'll see then here the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this dot, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button, then click here to the three dots, and just to change ringtone volume we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this dot, and tap to down to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.